We about to go swimming. We gotta walk first though. It's gonna be fun. Walking on the trails. We've been walking on the trails. Stillhouse, Hollow Falls, Waterfalls overlook. You're making a new fashion statement. Oh goodness. Don't drop that baby. He looks really awkward. He looks like he's ready to take a jump off your back. Can't tell me what to do. I'll be glad when we get to this water because I have to pee.
Hello!
And and Callie says hello.
Yeah.
Say hello, Callie.
Hello.
No, you're supposed to say hello, Callie.
Fine. Hello, Callie.
We're here. Woo, water. Fun.
This is the waterfall. It's not slippery. This is still how the falls right here. Okay.
This is the waterfall?
Yep.
This is very unimpressive.
Okay, actually,
The water's not really falling. It's kind of just seeping along. Well, this water is still not a fall. That's what it means.
They just added this shit, but we're going to the waterfall because I ain't walking up that hill. Tell him no, we ain't.
I like all these. I like all these footpaths. It's kind of cool. This boardwalk. It looks fun. That it's decided not to have a boardwalk right there. I swear I'm probably about to use the bathroom.
I used the bathroom down there by that little waterfall.
Say it again, I wasn't on camera.
Fine. I was down there and I had to use the bathroom.
How many Mexicans does it take to... Oh look, they're already done.
I'm confused. I don't know what that meant.
I do.
You're sweaty.
Yeah, it's warm. There's the waterfall.
It is not the only.
Oh, there's more falls.
Yes, there's a big one.
Woo!
There's a big one that will knock you down.
Why is it gonna knock me down? I don't want to go to the one that's gonna knock me down. Maybe I'll just stand next to it, not so close to it. I'll just be near it.
Will just stand away from the
I'll stand a good distance away from it.
Yeah, maybe you'll just stand away from the big water.
I'm just ready to pee in some water. Oh man, there are people here. I don't want to share the water and nature with people. I want to be stingy.